Back to corner where our local MVP families were each awarded with a certificate of achievement. Amazing day.
But wait, the Tarts Bowl is on.
At the Cyclone 9. Neal on the stop for Iowa State.
Rap music again. I'm retiring. I quit. I'm so embarrassed. We're definitely gonna win tonight. We're gonna beat the Cyclones. We're winning this game, no matter what anyone says. I paid a lot of money for this jersey and this hat, and I got me a little souvenir shirt. Having a great time, y'all. It's an amazing sight. Go Canes!